Good morning everyone. It's cooking time. Welcome to my vlog. Anyway, my menu today is I just fried the salmon. I seasoned the salmon. I squeeze a little bit lemon. I season it with salt and black pepper. I did not put any rosemary because the kids don't like the taste of the rosemary. Instead of using oil for fry, I use butter. Before I fry this one, I need to fry the garlic first before the salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acid, good for heart health and for blood circulation. I just season it with pink salt and black pepper. I need to cook this because they went to walk. Maybe they're gonna eat when they arrive, when they come home from walking. When they gonna eat, it's good if I already done cooking before they gonna arrive so that they can eat when they are arrived. I just squeeze a little lemon in the fish, the salmon. Anyway guys, today is Sunday. It's a family day. Enjoy your day together with your family. Have a nice day everyone. Bye. Wide. Shahada. I forgot. It's already on. Bye guys. Enjoy your day. See you later.